Is this the most overlooked resort casino in Laughlin? Everybody, welcome back, and if you're new here, my name is Amy and I'm a Tangerine, and we are at Laughlin River Lodge Casino Resort today, and this is a hidden gem on the Laughlin Strip. A lot of people go to the Aquarius and the Riverside and they totally miss out on this one, but we are going to show you around this great resort today and tell you why you should come here and visit. We're going to show you around the whole thing. We are going to start on the outside of the Laughlin River Lodge. We're right on the strip here in Laughlin, Nevada, and we're going to go inside and work our way up to the casino floor. My favorite part of this casino is look at the peace and quiet that you have. We passed Aquarius on the way here and it was packed, and down here you're going to get a lot more peace and quiet than on the busier part of the Laughlin Strip. This is a hidden gem in Laughlin. For wayfinding, next door is the Golden Nugget, and you can see some people swimming that are associated with the Golden Nugget. They're probably spending the night there. And then here is the River Lodge, and then down there is Harrow's Casino, which is the next casino on the strip. There are a lot of really peaceful and quiet walkways behind the River Lodge, and it's right on the Colorado River here. And up ahead there is where you can get on the water taxi to go further down the strip, you know, towards the Riverside and the Aquarius. It's an absolutely incredible day here in Laughlin. We are under a heat warning today. I think it's going to be like 1:15, so we are going to head inside and check out everything that this great resort has for us. Sam is with us today. She's over the heat already, so she's already inside. Spoiler alert, there is bowling here. We're going to be doing some bowling today. And the third floor has registration. The way that they lay this casino out is really cool. I can't wait to get up there and show you how they do this. There's different sections, like neighborhoods. And then on the second floor there is more casinos and slot machines, and then the bowling and the pool area. All right, we are on the second level here. This is where the bowling is, where some casinos slot machines are at. It's very nice and quiet up here, like so much room for activities. The one downfall to this resort is this main restaurant here that was open the last time I did a video just a couple weeks ago has closed. So they do not have a main restaurant here. You're probably gonna have to go elsewhere to get a good dinner or lunch. That cafe has closed. I heard it was like due to staffing issues. The last time I was here it smelled so good, so that's really disappointing. That would be the only, like, I would say bad thing that I could say about this place. The second floor here, I mean, there's plenty of places for you to sit and relax and watch the Colorado River, and literally no one is here. No one knows about how great this resort is. Look at all this room for activities. It is a Saturday and the bowling opens in just a few minutes here, and we're gonna go bowling later. We're gonna go upstairs first. My daughter is dying to see the gift shop, so we're gonna do that first, but we are gonna be bowling today. And just like any other casino, they have arcades everywhere. But I think this is interesting. They have pinball machines. Star Wars. Oh, how I miss Hollywood Studios. I miss you so badly. So we're still on the second floor here, and there are two different casino. They like section off the casino areas into like neighborhoods, and this is the La Vida casino area and the Red Dragon casino area. It's kind of like neighborhoods, which is very unique to all the other casinos in the area. Every little quote-unquote neighborhood is like themed differently, and this is the Red Dragon one. It's themed to Red Dragon, and then you can also get snacks and foods at each of these little neighborhoods. You can get egg rolls here. There is the bowling, not quite open yet. And then here's La Vida Casino. Here's different food that you can get here. Chips and salsa, Mexican food kind of stuff. And this quote-unquote neighborhood is Mexican themed. So it's really cool. You can like decide which neighborhood you want to come visit and hang out in and play in. We are gonna head up to the gift store, which my daughter has already abandoned me for. Here is what it looks like if you come in the front entrance here, and there's all kinds of machines to your left and right. Different neighborhoods up here as well. When you come in over to the right, there is Bourbon Street Casino. It's a New Orleans themed section. And here is the general store. This is my favorite gift shop in all the casinos in Laughlin. This has got all kinds of things in here. It's got gifts, it's got snacks, it's got food, everything that you can imagine. All kinds of snacks and drinks to the right here. A lot of really unique items here. You can get a prickly pear chocolate bar, and oh my gosh, bacon chocolate bar. Have we found Nirvana? I spoke too soon. We have chocolate and liquor. Okay, that's the one. Put it in the cart. Put the basket in the cart. They just have, you know, unique, really cool, funny things. Who's this dude? Does anyone know? This might have something to do with why it's my favorite. They have a lot of Christmas items here. I tried. My God, Santa used to give these to me in my stocking every year. Thank you, Santa. I didn't know you could still buy these. Oh, that is adorable. Oh man, I used to have these when I was a kid. It's a skydiver. They just have the coolest stuff in here. We do have a seating area in here if you're gonna grab a snack, and you can sit in here and eat it. Look at this goodness, y'all. Danishes, cinnamon rolls, muffins, fudge. And the adult playground area is here as well. Here is the front desk area where you check in if you are staying. Here is Dotty section. This is slot machines, and there is food in there. Dotty's Cafe. They have breakfast pizza.
I thought, no, never mind, sorry.
No? Wow, look, cinnamon French toast sticks. Mini corn dogs with honey mustard. All kinds of like little snacky things at each one of these little neighborhoods. Here is what the Dotty section looks like, and you order food straight ahead here. There is where you order food, and then they do have an area where you can sit and eat here, right among the slot machines. Let it be, yeah, let it be. This is truly a hidden gem. You can come to a casino and not have the cray-cray. This is your place. We are out front of the Laughlin River Garage here, and as you can see, right next to it is the Golden Nugget, and you can kind of see down there the Tropicana Resort. It is located a little bit further down than the main hub area. As you can see, it's a massive, massive casino with a lot of rooms. I was kind of surprised at the amount of rooms that they have here. And they do offer free parking. Of course, out front here is handicap parking, and then they have a section for Teslas. If you have electric cars, you can charge them over here. And then they have a very large parking garage that is free. And that's kind of nice, especially in this heat, to like just park your car in a parking garage, and then you're not like dying when you get back to your car. When I first moved here, one of the guys in the Players Club was like, I see you just moved from Florida. And I'm like, yeah. He's like, it gets really hot here. And I was like, sir, I was here last summer, and Yeah, I'm aware of what I'm getting into. No, ma'am. No, you are not aware of what you're getting into. I'm melting. I'm like Olaf, and I'm just gonna melt and disappear, and I will no longer need Weight Watchers or any kind of diet or anything, because that's how hot it is. I really love this section of this resort. This is a lot of fun, this area here. Lots of things to do. You could win $1 million. And of course you got the girls up here. Very Vegas-y. A little too Vegas-y. All kinds of things to do over here. There's pool tables. There's different games that you can play. Last time I was here, I saw a grown man on this. And he was having a good time. And isn't that what life is all? Life is too hard, y'all. Life is too hard. We need to have a good time where we can get it. There is a fantastic seating area here where you can charge your phone, relax, listen to some Michael Jackson, watch some wrestling. Love this area. Have a jukebox where you can put your own jams on if you don't like Michael Jackson. You can shoot your shot here. You can be a hot shot. You can sit in the seats here and watch the shenanigans on the Colorado River in air conditioning. How's the coffee?
Much needed.
Much needed. Much needed. We're waiting for bowling to open. I don't know. It's opening kind of late today.
We're gonna play some ice ball. That's what I'm
We're gonna play ice ball?
Yeah.
Let's do that. Good job. Forget what this is called. What is this called? What's this called? I forget. Foosball? What is this? Foosball. Really embarrassing. I tried to do this at Riverside and it was a disaster. I don't want to talk. We're not going to talk about it. We're not going to talk about Reno. If you are a hotel guest, they do have a large pool out here by the water, and they do have more rooms over here that are not a part of the tower, but they're refurbishing those rooms right now. But this is what the outside looks like if you are to stay here overnight. My favorite part of this resort is the access to the Colorado River and no cray-cray crowds down here. It's absolutely beautiful. Lots of little walkways that you can walk along and just enjoy the beautiful weather out here. I don't know about you all, but I am having a fantastic day. Is it glitzy and glamorous? Absolutely not, but that's the point. I don't need crazy fancy this week. I had surgery on my eye. I needed like a chill day to enjoy the Colorado River and yet still have a good time. And we ate at the Aquarius last night, and y'all, it was $70. $70. So you just can't be doing that every day. I needed this today. If you need, and if you're looking for something a little less crazy, then the River Lodge is perfect. It's a really great getaway. Like, I can imagine spending the night here and just enjoying walking down the river. It's a different perspective, you know? It's something different than you're gonna find at the other casinos. And honestly, when I first moved here, I really judged this resort by its cover. I was like, not sure that looks that great. I'm not gonna even try it. And I'm so glad that I did, because that gift shop is one of my favorites. This area outside is fantastic. It's got such a good vibe. You can come here on a Friday night, have a good time. Come here with your friends. Come here with your family. I'm always amazed by people that bring their kids into a casino, but this one, it's not crazy. Like, it's not bad for families. So this is a really good option when you're coming to Laughlin. Massive this thing is. Phew, you can see this sucker for miles and miles away. Somebody is getting hangry, so we are gonna pop next door to the Golden Nugget and get Bubba Gumps for lunch, and then we're gonna come back and do the bowling. I really like that they have this overhang here. That's really helpful on really hot days. Sam, you're eluding too much hotness. Can you cool it down, please?
Yeah.
We have made it to the Golden Nugget. We could have walked over, but this one is a little too hot today, so we just drove over. Bubba Gumps. We elected to eat inside because this one's a little too hot today. I really love it in here. We went with the garlic bread for an appetizer. And Sam got, what is this?
A chicken sandwich.
Chicken sandwich. And I went with nothing because I'm on a new stomach medicine for my gastroparesis. And it's a no-go for me. I didn't eat anything, but this one says that her lunch was really, really good. Right? Really good? Guess who's back? Back again. We are going bowling. They have a diner in here, and it was $25 for 2 games and 2 rental of shoes. This is definitely a smaller bowling alley than Riverside, but it's really nice. And we are lane 6 today. This is really nice. I really like this. What do you think? Am I gonna beat her this time? Are you feeling confident?
I'm just here to have fun.
Okay, me too, but I'm still gonna win.
Caught behind an Venetian blind, trying to reach for the sunlight. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I've become. I've been running east, looking for a sensation. Do you since 99? What I thought was gone, sitting in
My favorite part of this whole thing is there is a family
all alone.
with a bunch of kids playing, and it just made my day to see how fun those little girls are having.
Burn all bridges, all I know.
I just realized, which I know this, she's my child, right? She's left-handed. You're doing great. Final score, 194 for both games, 1-1-1. I finally, 1-1-1. It's my lucky day. Did you have fun? Yeah. We love bowling. And that'll do it for today's video. We had an amazing day. And the only downside to Laughlin River Lodge is the dining. There's no sit-down restaurant for you. But really easy to go to the next casino down and just have something to eat. We had an amazing day. Really highly recommend Laughlin River Lodge. And thank you all so much for watching. And until we meet again, my friends, bye. And it's been fun. Let's do Laughlin River Lodge again. I just passed a dude and he said something that's so true. He said casinos smell like cigarette butts and poor decisions. If that ain't a good day, if you're not smelling cigarettes and poor decisions, what are you doing with your life? You're probably at Disneyland. Dang it! Why am I not at Disneyland? I want to smell like Mickey Mouse and Mickey bars and poor decisions. Where did I go wrong today?